Hello everyone! Now I will show you the Keltner channel indicator. You can download the indicator by the link in the description below. To run the indicator, simply drag the Keltner channel indicator from the indicator list to your MT4 chart. And please don't forget to click on the Allow DLL imports in the settings window. The Keltner channel indicator consists of 3 bands on MT4 platform. The middle band is the exponential moving average, and the upper and the lower bands show the current price range using the Chester v. Keltner formula. As you can see, the formula for calculating the Keltner lines is quite simple. The upper band and the lower band. There are many advantages to using this indicator. One of the most common uses of the Keltner channel indicator is to determine market trends. When channel is upturned, it signifies an uptrend, and when it's downturned, it signifies a downtrend. The Keltner channel not only identifies major trends, but it can also be used to identify true potential trend reversals. But the advantage of the Keltner channel over these rival indicators dwells in its calculation formula. And because of this formula, the indicator and its default settings doesn't react too closely to the market. The result is indicator's biggest resistance to false breakout signals. A trader may alter the settings to make the channel react quicker or slower to the market. So there is only one line in the indicator settings, period. It allows you to edit the EMA parameter of the Keltner channel to determine its sensitivity. The Keltner channel is the best for beginning forex traders who have a hard time recognizing market trends. It also makes up an important part of the trading indicators of many trend and trend reversal traders. This is because the indicator provides powerful signals for both trend and trend reversal traders. You can download the indicator by the link in the description below. Bye bye!